Yeah, and a shocking verdict at that out of San Francisco in the Kate Steinle murder case. Jose Ines Garcia Zarate, the man who admitted to accidentally shooting and killing 32-year-old Steinle on a pier in San Francisco several years ago, acquitted, found not guilty of first-degree murder, not guilty of second-degree murder, and not guilty of involuntary manslaughter. That verdict just announced within the last 25 minutes. One of the lawyers for Zarate just spoke moments ago. Here's a bit of what he had to say.
This jury's verdict should be respected. They heard the evidence. They deliberated as a group. They heard readback testimony. They looked at the physical evidence, and they rendered a verdict to the best of their abilities in accordance with the law.
So again, Zarate found not guilty of murder or involuntary manslaughter. He was found guilty of a single charge of possession of a firearm by an ex-felon. You'll remember, of course, the details of this case. Zarate was an undocumented immigrant who had been deported 5 times previous to this killing. It's a case that sparked nationwide controversy over sanctuary city status. President Trump mentioned this case many times on the campaign trail last year, and the House passed what's called Kate's Law. That would install harsher punishments for immigrants who return to the country after being deported. That law has not passed the Senate. This verdict likely to only further inflame this issue. The next step will be sentencing for that single possession charge, which could range from several months to several years, but far short of what prosecutors and the Steinle family were hoping for. By the way, Steinle's family has also filed a civil lawsuit in this case.